What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial I'm going to talk about like the bright side of making music. So man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share all my videos. And if you are still in the channel, so man, thank you so much for like the growth and the love and support you've been giving me. So for me, I've been making music for about like I got 5 years in the game of my music production. So ever since I started making music, I've been focused, I've been growing, and I've been like learning, bruh. Like things were tough and were hard. I'm still learning, I'm still developing new genres, I'm still growing, bro. You know, there's nothing that you can do but grow. So yeah man, ever since I started making beats, I fell in love with trap beats. And even though I was doing dark beats way back, then my music slowly gravitate and becoming better and better each and every day by watching a lot of tutorials, learning a lot from the people that I think they are presenting their tutorials in a language that I understand. And their type beats were some of the beats that I prefer to make, and I was learning a lot. I was not sleeping, bro. I was like up all night watching tutorials, learning how to put a clap, a snare, hi-hats, and the drums, and the melody, how to find the key out of a sample and everything. So I had to figure out that I need to find a door, because that time it was before I knew about flstudiomobile. And then when I found about before I found about flstudiomobile, of course I was watching tutorials of people who were making music in FL Studio 20. That time it was 20, like yeah, the update was 20. Before now we had 21 and stuff. So I was like really inspired watching tutorials back to back, watching people like Lifestyle did it, because he's the best like teacher, I can say music educator. Like he can teach you how to make trap beats in a way that you can understand, and you become a better music producer slash beat maker. So I was like, okay, I need to find a way. Okay, I need to find a way to make my own beats, because now I feel like I'm inspired in such a way that they like of course I'm learning, and I'm learning from the master. But I was going through a transition of like a student becoming a teacher, you know. So I was like, nah man, if I can maybe try this with what he's doing, maybe I can become better also and do the same. Okay, then I started like finding DAWs, like digital audio workstation, to use for making beats. I went through so many, but I was searching on YouTube, I was searching everywhere on Google, like which is the best. Of course, already I know, because I'm watching tutorials of people who are making music in FL Studio. I was like, damn, okay, I need to get FL Studio. But that time I had a PC. Then I lost my PC due to like unexpected reasons. You know, something happened, and then I was at like campus. I was at the university, and then we were robbed, bruh. Like we were robbed, you know. Like it's crazy. I was staying off campus, and then we were robbed, and these people, they took the PC, and then that PC was like HP. Damn, bro. When I think about those days, I ask myself, if I had the PC right now, even though I know that I have a PC which is right here in front of me. This is a mobile phone is a PC. Like you can see when I'm making beats on my tutorials, it's like the beat sounds like I'm using a PC, but I'm using a mobile phone PC. So you understand. And then I think myself, if I had a PC, I would have been very far. But still, I have a mobile PC. There's no problem with that. Like life is what you see, you know. If you see your mobile phone is small, then your beats will be small. So in me, when I'm making beats, I don't see the screen, that my mobile phone screen is too small, then my beats will be narrow. You know, my beats are wider, you know, my beats are spreading. Like my beats are dope, my beats are toxic and contagious, you know. So I was like, okay, I need to get a digital audio workstation. So I was like, FL Studio, I can use it in mobile, right? Then I need to get something. Then I was searching. I came across um, there was this guy who was making tutorials back in the day. His name is Borax. I don't know if you know him. So it was like, big on FL Studio Mobile, and they was making tutorials back to back. People were loving him. I was like, damn, I need to get FL Studio Mobile, and then it was costing like $100. It's 100 rand in South African currency. So I was like, damn. And that time I was like in school. Okay, of course I could get $100 in a week or something like that. Then when I got the money, I bought FL Studio Mobile, and then oh, when I bought FSJ Mobile, it was tough, bro. Imagine you don't know how to make beats, how to do anything, so you just start from scratch. And I was like, damn, I need to figure it out. I need to find my way. I need to get there where these people that are inspiring me are. So I was like, damn, I need to put in the work. I need to grind. So yeah, man. Fast forward 1 year gone. I was learning, and my beats were trash. I didn't even know what is EQ, how to use EQ. I didn't even know how to add the clap, the hi-hats, and the snares, and everything was complicated, bruh. Like, honestly, my beats were trash. Each and every time I make beats today, or like this year, and when I reflect on my old beats, because I don't delete, or actually I lost some of the beats when I lost my previous phone, but now I just try to keep all the zip files and FMLs. You can see when I save my beats, I always keep an FML, I always keep a zip file, and I always keep the BPM and the key for the beat. Because of course, if you want to work with artists, they need to know what key the beat is done, and then the BPM, all that. So I was like, damn. And then second year gone, but second year I was trying to get in the game. I was improving. Then I started telling myself that maybe I should like make music, and put out for the people to judge me and stuff, and get like that recognition that I deserve. And then I started. Yeah, it was tough, man. I used to get bad comments, people telling me like your beat is trash, and then they were good because those things they help you improve. You understand? So I was like getting there, those comments. My channel was growing, and then like now we're on 1K. Guys, I just want to say thank you. The bright side of music, like music can change your life, man. Music can like when you play instruments, when you have seen a lot of people. If you know Beethoven Moonlight Sonata, then man, thumbs up, hit right here, bruh. Beethoven Moonlight Sonata is what Moonlight Sonata, like this piano composition, bro, that kind of music, like that guy, whatever he was feeling, was going through, whatever was in his head, bro. When he made that composition, I was like, damn, bro. Moonlight Sonata. Ish, I don't know where I can find this composition, and I don't even know if I can use it in this video. It will be copyrighted, but just go and search Beethoven Moonlight Sonata, man. Then you are my friend, bro. You will play that thing each and every day when you wake up and when you go to sleep, cause like the key is talking, it's talking if you're listening. So like that's what happens with music. There's rhythm, melody, and these elements that can psychologically manipulate you and make you feel like good, if you are of course making those type of beats, happy vibe. And then like music is diverse, bro. When I talk about music, we talk about genres, we talk about funk, we talk about jazz, we talk about funk, we talk about R&Bs and trap. So there's a lot. So the bright side of music, like I feel like many people, if they just start making music, they can be happy. Yeah, I said it. Many people, if they can start making music, they can be happy. I've seen it. Like for me, music has numbed my depression because I was depressed. I remember a year ago, I was fucking depressed. I was so depressed in such a way that I didn't want to leave the house, because I was like, no, man, if people are doing that and they are winning, what about me? So I need to focus on me. So I started focusing on me. I'm focusing on my music so that I can grow. And like, yeah, I'm still doing the same. Nothing changed, bro. That's why I love music. And I feel like if you are a beginner music producer or a beat maker, or you're still trying to get in the game, my advice to you is, man, start slow. Don't rush. Learn more about yourself. Learn more about who you are, and then you will find yourself through making music. So if you're a music producer, so if you are already a legend in this industry, man, kudos to you. It's tough, man. Honestly, it's tough. There's nothing so difficult than like making beats. Making content is so hard too, but like making beats is difficult if you don't know what you are beginning, like what you're going through. But over time you start to get used to it, you start to get to love it, you start to find something about it, you start to connect with it in such a way that it becomes like an ordinary thing, a day and day stuff, so you enjoy it more than you feel like it's a day job, you understand? So yeah, man, I can talk about a lot about the bright side of music and what music can do to you and your soul, and then how it improves, and why many people they should start getting involved to become creators and start releasing beats, songs, artists, rappers, producers, mixers, engineers. For me, I'm more like a producer, right? Music producer, beat maker. I can do any genre if you put me in a test. I can say I'm the best. I'm a student. So like, yeah, I'm the best. Of course, I'm a goat, but I'm still a student. In everything I do, I'm still learning. I'm still growing. Even if I'm perfect, you feel like, yeah, you're dope. You're more than enough. But to me, I'm still getting there. So like the bright side of music, I feel like many people, if they can learn an instrument, they can. I used to have a MIDI keyboard. I lost it due to unforeseen circumstances. Again, like the keyboard, man, it was dope. It used to help me learn how to play the piano. That's why when I'm making beats these days, I just sometimes I don't go to the piano roll. I just record like real time. I just record. If I'm playing the flute, I record it, and if something is missing, then I will go to move it and pack it, arrange it. Because FStudiomobile is easy. Even if you are starting to learn FStudiomobile, like it's very easy for you to become a master in FStudiomobile compared to other doors like Pro Logic tools, Reason, all those complicated stuff. But FStudiomobile is the best. They know there's no other door with crazy updates like we are having in FStudiomobile, bro. If they can make FStudiomobile for PC and also make, no, I'm not FStudiomobile, sorry. If they can make FStudio for PC and also make it for mobile devices, they are the best. You should start working with the best to become the best. That's why you need to subscribe to this channel so that you can learn how to make the best beats, because every beat that I make is the best. No hater, no comment can convince me, because before I even think about posting the beat, I knew that is the best. So yeah, man, the bright side of music, music can change lives. Music can make you feel happy, joyous, and not resentful. You understand? So, man, like I can talk a lot about like music, but since I don't like making my videos too long, I can just leave you with these simple tips, like yeah, man. So like I just want to say, like subscribe to this channel, comment what you think about this video, what you like most and what did you learn. And other than that, see you in the next video. Peace.